Hello, welcome to CKE 10,000 Men's Gaming Channel. In this video, we'll be unboxing Weiss Schwarz Trial Deck Plus Hololive Production Hololive First Generation. So here we have the front of the box, the back of the box. There will be a RRR card or exclusive SP card possible in the trial deck. So there's the back, front again. Now let's open it up to see what's inside. So remove the tape from either end. So let's remove the plastic. So put that down. We have the rule sheet as of April 2022. And the playmat. And the actual cards. So we have the event card, hashtag Hololive First Generation, foiled. Non-foiled version, Towards the Southern Island. Cunning, Enthusiastic Summer, Hi Chum Cooking, 3 copies, Bite at 3, Dinosaur Pose, That Summer, The Strongest Greeting, 3 copies, Summer Vacation, The Strongest Greeting, The Cruel Truth, Splashing Water, Dinosaur Pose, What Should I Choose, the Gold Bar, Climax at 3, the other Gold Bar, Climax, Hachima Cooking, Bite, Dinosaur Pose, Strongest Greeting, Overwhelming Curiosity, The Cruel Truth, RRR, Dinosaur Pose. Enthusiastic Summer, Summer With You, Summer Vacation, Splashing Water, and What Should I Choose? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.